Do you have pets? There's no doubt, as part of multifamily operators, that you can also charge for pet fees. Now, why do we charge for pet fees? Why is that? Because having a pet, it's not a bad thing for having a pet. We love pets on our property. But the reason why we charge a pet fee is because pets tend to cause more damages. In the apartment complexes, you have to change the paint more often, the carpets more often, maybe even the sub baseboards a little bit more often than if you didn't have pets. That's why we charge a pet fee. On top of that, the pet fee allows us to keep the dog parks running, the poop bags going, and some of the complexes might also have a DNA system where, hey, if your pet poops and you didn't pick it up, we can actually take your pet's DNA and track to see if it's you. And no one wants to get fined, but we also have to pick up after each other. So if you're looking for apartment complexes, just know you can also have pets and pets. We love the pets and pets, but make sure you pick up after yourselves. We'll see you soon.